Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to read manga on Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll on my phone, and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes or some applications. If you go to my list, you're gonna find all of your saved episodes. You're gonna find some lists like the watch list, Crunchy list, your history, and lastly, offline mode if you have a premium subscription. If you go to browse, from here you can browse uh, any anime that you like. You can also browse by anime genre, and you can also see some music right here. And if you go to simulcasts, from here you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. And lastly, if you go to accounts, right here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your account. So basically guys, in order to read manga on Crunchyroll, you need to have a premium subscription first. In order to have or to get a premium subscription, go to your account settings, and then right here the first option that you're gonna find is membership plan. Go ahead and click on it, and then once you click on it, you're gonna find your subscription. As you can see guys, my subscription type is a free member. If you want to get premium access, just go ahead and click on Go Premium. With the premium access, you're gonna have unlimited anime, no ads, and new episodes shortly after airing in Japan. You will also have access to manga. Go ahead and click on Go Premium, and then go ahead and click on Start Subscription. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.